Hi children, the lesson I am going to do with you all today is in your workbook, page number 48. Okay, let's see what the lesson is. Information. Okay, what is information? Information is a way that we give a message or a news to another person, or we can get it also through these things. No, how we get information. Now you know these days this information that we get is very important, isn't it? With this whole COVID thing, we see that we get a lot of information via television or through messages on our phones, through the radio, isn't it? You see that your parents are very connected to this. No, this is how we get the information. Now look at the pictures. Now let's read the words. Letters. Now you know letters is also a form of a way that we get information. No, somebody writes or a notice is sent in the mail. No, in the form of a letter. So who brings the letters? The letters are brought by the letterman. No, he comes to our house daily. I don't know whether you have seen the letterman in your area. He rings the bell or he puts the letters in the letter box. So that is one way. Then the television. Television. Now you know news and all these important things are watched through the television. No, we can see. I am sure your parents are watching news daily now with this whole situation. So television is also a way that we get our information. Then the radio. Some people now when they are traveling in the cars, when they don't have a TV, they on the radio and we get news from radio. No, when your parents are traveling in the car. So this radio, sometimes in our homes also we have the radio. So the radio is also another way. Then the notice board. Can you see the notice board? Write this notice board. In our school we have a notice board. So what do we do when there is any notices? We pin it onto the board so that parents and students can read this information. Mobile phones. Yes, now I am sure all of us, all your parents have mobile phones, isn't it? It's very important. Now you can see even school work and all of that we do through the mobile phone. No, your parents get through WhatsApp. You know, during this time all the lessons have done, we have been doing, and we have been sending it through the group through the mobile phone. So we see how important the mobile phones is. Conversation. What is a conversation? Can you see these two children are talking? Even through conversation we see that we give information. No, sometimes we speak to our neighbors or we will call someone. No, if we need to give any information, we see that through talking to each other. You will see that especially these days in the neighborhood. No, your mama or your dadas must be speaking to the neighbors and giving information. No, so with talking also we can give through the conversation we can give information as well. Laptop. Now the laptop also we see is very useful these days. Sometimes with the Zoom call and with the lessons, some people use their laptop, isn't it? If you have older brothers and sisters who are studying or doing higher studies, you will see that this laptop is very important. No, they get their work and then they do it. No, so there is information that goes up and down. Fax machine. Now this fax machine mainly is in offices. If you ask your parents who are working, they will tell you that this fax machine from one office to the other, no, where they put a paper in. You have to have this machine that they have shown in the picture. Without this machine you can't send a fax to another office. So you see from one fax machine to the other. No, so when one person sends it on this side, the other side, if they have the fax machine, they get it like a photocopy. No, so that they send the information like this. Computer. Computer. Here the computer, I am sure you have learnt about the computer in your for your computer lesson. You may have learnt, no, for the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard. We see that some people have computers like this and they do their work and get their information through the computer. Okay, books. Now books is also a form of information, isn't it? Now when we need to know anything, those days people used to go to the libraries and take books. No, there are books that give us information. Now you see even our workbooks, we see because of the workbooks we can do our work and it gives us a lot of information. Okay, newspaper. Now I am sure most of your houses, you all must be getting the newspaper daily, isn't it? So in this newspaper there is a lot of information, lot of details, lot of things we need to know about the situation, about what is happening, how many people are sick, how many people are recovering from this virus. There are so many things in this newspaper. So this is also another form of way that we get this information. Okay, then the telephone, the last. So the telephone also, we call each other. We call people to give them information sometimes. Now if I want to speak to your parents, I call them. I call them and I speak to them. If I need to tell them something, if you are sick, we see that we use the telephone. Okay children, so this is the work that we have on page number 48. Now you have to match it. You have to match it with a line. Okay, so you can do that. Now on page number 49, you will see that this is a conversation. Okay, let's see. Make a telephone out of 2 empty yogurt cups and practice the dialogue with your friend. Okay, so they want you to use 2 empty yogurt cups and you can have a dialogue with your friend. That means you can speak to your friend the way these 2 children are speaking. Now of course these days, okay, maybe in your neighborhood, or maybe you can speak to your sister or brother like this. So this is a conversation that these 2 children are having. Okay, so you read this conversation. Okay, I am not going to read it out because it's taking time. So you will see that this is how they are talking to each other. They are pretending that these yogurt cups are a phone. A phone. So you see that they have this conversation with each other. Okay children, so at the end there is listen to your teacher's instructions. Okay, so now we can't do this because it's a recording and I can't see you all, but when you all come to school we will do this exercise, like stand up, line up, form a circle, clap, run and sit. Okay, so these are things that we have to do in class. We will do it when we are in class. Okay, hopefully everything will be okay for school to start. Okay children, so this is the work for today. Till I connect with you next. Bye.